VATIO has been a very good experience. They have done a very good job in my house. The first unit and the second unit works wonderfully. I can monitor everything in my mobile. The solar, I wanted basically to help the planet, make it more green. Immediately after the solar was installed in my house, the bill became zero. Only in summer, paying about 2000. I did not want to charge my electric vehicle from the grid alone. I wanted to make my own electricity and charge my vehicle myself. It's almost 0 rupees per kilometer that I'm using right now. All the prices are going up, but the solar production in your house is not going to go down at all. Past 5 years I've been using this and I have not had any issues regarding maintenance. Taken back the money that I've spent over this past 5 years. Anytime I have any doubts or any problems, they will be in my house immediately.